Hello everybody, today in front of me I have VIVO Y76 5G smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can add the numbers to the keyboard on this device. So as we will see right now, there is no separate number row on top of the characters, so in order to turn it on, you gotta go to the settings, look for the system category, at the system category go for languages and input, on-screen keyboard, and here choose the keyboard that is currently in use in our case, and by the default it is the Gboard. So go to the Gboard settings menu, preferences, and all that is left to do is to switch on the number row feature. And from now on, as you will see right now, the separate number row on top of the characters has successfully been added to the keyboard of this device. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!